Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change Kraken account's password. To change your Kraken account's password, launch open the Kraken app on your mobile device or sign in to kraken.com on a web browser. Either way, log into your account and then, once logged in, tap on your profile picture at the top left and click on the security button. Inside security, tap on password. Enter your current password in the first tab for your Kraken account. In the next field, type down a new password you want to change to. Re-enter the password one more time in the last field. Finally, click on change password at the bottom and then you will be able to change your password for your Kraken account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.